guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I do 3 videos a week. So if you would like to subscribe to my little YouTube fam, I would just love that. Also, if you want to ring the little notification bell and be notified when I upload, you won't miss out on any new videos. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of tank tops that I've ordered from Amazon. They're all pretty cheap. They're not like dirt cheap, but like they're a good price. I just was on the hunt for some tank tops. So I thought I would put together a little video and try them on for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing all about these Amazon tank tops, let's get into the video. So this first tank top that I got is really cute. This is the Blendcott women's V-neck, women's V-neck strappy embroidery tank tops, loose, casual, sleeveless shirts, blouses. One thing about Amazon is like their clothing always has like the weirdest, longest names. I'm not sure why, but that's what it's called. This one is really, really cute. I really like it. I don't love the fact that it's kind of see-through, but I think for summer it's kind of okay. Just wear something lighter underneath, or like, I don't know, like what do you do? I feel like it's not that noticeable because it's kind of looser though. And it was $17.99. I also got it in like this more gray color, which what's weird though is the gray one has like a twist in the bottom, which is okay. I don't love it, but I kind of wish it was just straight. I'm not sure why half of them have this weird little twisty and half don't. I don't really know, but $17.99. It's really cute. It's a really nice material. This embroidery is like really cute and really good quality. So I love those. Those are really nice. All right, here's this one. I think this is my favorite out of all of them. It's just really cute. I love that it's white and black. I love this little like black design, whatever you want to call that neckline. Just really cute, really nice. I love the quality. It feels really nice. Just everything about this is really, I love it. I probably wouldn't wear it untucked just because it just doesn't look as good, you know, but you could. I just prefer it tucked in, but definitely this is my favorite. I love this one. So here's the one that's more gray with the kind of twisted top. I feel like all of these just look so much better tucked in. I don't know why that is, but I just think it looks really cute, kind of with the little knotted, whatever this thing is. Just gives it a little something different, but if you just tuck it in, because untucked, it just, I don't know why there's like these different panels right here. It's really weird. But I'm not a fan of that, but if you tuck it in, it's really cute. So I think this is a winner. So this next one is the Blendcott women's V-neck lace strappy cami tank tops, casual loose sleeveless blouse shirts. And it's the floral one that I got. This one is really cute, but I feel like the material is kind of a cheaper material. Like looking at it up close, like I probably wouldn't try this on if I saw it at a store, but it is really cute on. I'm just not in love with it. I do love the lace. I think the lace is what I really like about it. If it didn't have the lace, I probably would have just sent it back, but it's pretty cute and it's $17.99 also. So a lot of these tank tops too, I just like to tuck in to like high-waisted jeans or shorts or whatever. So it doesn't really matter that they're kind of loose, and like this one's kind of rounded, which I don't love, but if you're tucking it in, who cares, right? So here's this one. It's really cute. I think it's so cute tucked in, especially with the little lace on the V-neck and everything. So this is totally how I would wear it. I do not like it not tucked in. It just kind of looks blah. Like I don't like the rounded. It's just not my favorite. So if you just tuck it in, I think it makes it look way cuter. Other than that, I really like the print. But the lace sleeve is what I really love about this shirt. So I think it's really, really cute. Then this next one is like really silky. It's the A Stylish Women Summer Ruffle V-Neck Spaghetti Strap Cami Tank Top. This one was $16.99 and I think it's really cute. It feels a lot nicer quality than the others so far. And I really love the ruffle. It just gives it a nice little detail. Just really pretty. I love the color of it. Just this nice neutral kind of taupey color, I guess. So I really love this one. So this one I'm not sure about. Like, I think it's really cute. It feels really nice. It does need to be like steamed or pressed or something because it's really wrinkly. But I don't love how like, I don't know. Like, I'm like, is it supposed to go way lower? Like, I don't like my shirts going too low. But I just feel like it's a little awkward right here. But let me know what you guys think. I don't know. But I do like it tucked in the front. Here's with it not tucked in. It just kind of hangs like that. But I think it's really cute. So I'm just not sure about the sleeve part. This ruffle situation. Then we have this one is the T. Crew Women's Boho Floral V-Neck. This one was $19.99. I really love the print of it, but like it doesn't feel that great and it doesn't look that cute. I feel like the picture looks a lot cuter, just the way it lays on them on the picture. I don't know. I kept it just because it was one of the first ones I got and I needed some tank tops, so I already wore it. But if I had received all these at one time, I probably would have sent this one back just because it's not, I don't know. And for 20 bucks, I'm like, eh. So like I said, this one's really cute. I love the print. I love it tucked in. I really like it. It's just not like the material doesn't feel that great. There's a plane. But so untucked, it's just kind of like nothing. I feel like all of these, just the fit of them is not that great unless you tuck it in. So yeah. Then this one is the Fensace, I don't know. Women's sleeveless summer flowy print floral spaghetti strappy tank tops. And this one, I love the print. I just think the fit of it is just, there's nothing special about it. The picture, it shows that it kind of like sucks in and fits at the waist and then flows out. I think that's probably just how they took the picture. They put it on like a form or something and secured the back in the middle to make it look like that, because it doesn't hang like that. It just is like a big flowy tank top. So I'm kind of disappointed that it doesn't fit how it shows in the picture, but it is still cute. It was $15.99. So I probably would have sent this one back as well if I had got them all together, but I already wore it, so I'm keeping it. So this one I actually like tucked in and untucked. So tucked in just looks kind of cute, and then untucked, it's actually not bad. It's just like a little more form-fitting than the other ones, so it does look cute both ways, but I really like it. I like the print of this one, and I also like the neckline, how it's kind of like a nice U-neck, and I like the back. Just really nice, cute, feels nice, comfortable, all of that good stuff. Then the last one that I got is this Sapaya Women's V-Neck Tank Top Summer Casual Cami Blouse, and just the white. This was $17.99. I feel like it's a nice, just basic tank top. There's nothing special about it, but it is see-through, so keep that in mind. They have a bunch of different colors, but if you just need like a basic tank top, this one's pretty nice. And I mean, the price is okay. It's not like wow price, but it's not too expensive either. So I don't mind it. So like I said, this is just a great like basic tank. There's nothing special about it. It's not the best material in the world, but it is just kind of cute. You can tuck it in or leave it out. Either way, just like a nice basic tank top. I don't know. So that was all the tank tops that I got, but I did also want to show you guys this really cute hat that I got. So this is the Fur Talk Summer Beach Sun Hats for Women. Foldable, floppy, travel packable UV hat, cotton wide brim hat. So I just thought it was really cute. I love the little brown thing, and it also came with a black one, so you could switch it out for black if you want. But it's just, I've already worn it, and it is really nice having a hat when you're out in the sun. Like on 4th of July, we went out to the lake to my grandpa's house with some family, and it was just nice having this at the lake when you're on the beach. I usually don't wear hats, so I forget that they're actually functional, but this one's really cute and it was only $22.99. So I feel like for a hat, that's a pretty good price. And it did come folded up. So, I mean, you can tell it's not like perfectly round. Like it has some wrinkles. I think maybe over time that'll go away if you don't keep folding it. But for me, I'm just like, if I have a bunch of kids that jump all over everything, and I don't think I could keep a hat like not being squished at all. So I figured might as well have like a nice floppy foldable one that doesn't matter if it gets squished or stepped on, whatever. I did try one from the Amazon wardrobe haul. One of my wardrobe hauls had a hat, and I ended up sending that one back because it was like $50 or $60. And after I found this one, I was like, I'd rather try this one because I wouldn't feel so like bad if it got ruined or stepped on. You know, the other one was more like, I feel like if it gets stepped on and stuff, it's going to get ruined. So I think this one's just a better one for me. It's pretty cute and it's less than half the price. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So I just wanted to show you guys the hat, like with a cute shirt. It's just so cute. I don't know. I'm obsessed with hats like this, and I've never like worn them before. So I'm actually excited that I actually am wearing it. And yeah, I think it's such a cute hat especially for $22. So yes, if you like this hat, I would highly suggest it. And it's got like the metal, so you can kind of like form it however you want. You know, it just makes it really nice. I don't know. Yeah, so that is it for this haul, you guys. Let me know which your favorite was down below. Also, let me know if you have gotten any cute tank tops off of Amazon that I didn't see. I feel like I looked for a long time when I picked all these out, but maybe there's some really cute ones that I missed. So let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.